The square root function in C takes the square root of a number. Square root is in the math.h header file, so we will hash include math.h. We will also want to print out our answer, so let's hash include stdio.h. Square root returns a double, so for our answer we'll do double ants equals square root of 4. Let's print that answer out. Printf double quotes %f for doubles, then we'll printf ants. If we run this code, we get 2, meaning the square root of 4 is 2. Do note, square root is not mathematically defined for negative numbers, so don't pass negative numbers to square root. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.